Alright, another question has come is what is Ashtaka Varga with 35 points in the first house? So basically let me talk to you guys what is Ashtaka Varga. Ashtaka Varga is some kind of score will be given to the planetary strength or the house strength to denote. So mostly these points will be between 1 to 35. Okay, any score that has come to the house or a planet is about 27, it is considered as average. Between 27 to 30 points is considered as average. Below 27 becomes trouble for you, trouble for that house. So that means the events of that house will be troublesome. And also, if at all if you get Ashtakavarga score beyond 30, it is considered as far excellent. The reason being, and this is something that we are talking about 35 points in the first house. So first of all, what is first house? First house talks about your own self. First house talks about your behavioral traits, your speech, your childhood, your mindset, your thought process, the way you behave with others. All those things constitutes the first house. First house talks about your overall personality. Okay, if at all you have 35 points in the first house, that means it is far more good, because 35 points in the first house denotes that your first house is very strong in its nature. The kind of afflictions it is receiving, the kind of aspects it is receiving, the kind of planetary state it is holding, it should be far excellent. So that means what will happen? You will be gaining a very good fame and respect. You will not be dependent on anybody. You are very helpful. You are very helpful in nature. You are very kind in nature, and rewards and recognitions will just come to you with less efforts, because you have 35 points in the first house. First house talks about growth and expansion as well. If at all you start any business, there will be a growth and expansion in your business. Of course, the third house, ninth house also has to be checked for the business, but at the same time the first house is considered also for business pursuits. So you will flourish in your business. You'll be getting name and fame in your family, and most importantly, elders in your family will be very supportive for you, and you will come across very good supportive friends, and you will have very good networking skills. Through networking skills, you can able to migrate to foreign countries. You can able to get very good support from them. If at all you are into any kind of profession, then there will be a professional success. People will be respecting for your knowledge, and most importantly, even the workplace will be having very friendly environment. The people, the colleagues, the superiors, all will be seeing you as a great personality of work ethics. You will have great work ethics, and also you will bring the discipline in your life. Okay, so all these things happens if at all you have 35 points in the first house, and getting 35 points in the first house is very rare. Maybe one in 1,000 birth charts I can able to see the 35 points, because mostly in the first house most of the people will be between 25 to 30 points mostly. So getting about 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35 is really well. That means your chart is having a very good yogas, very good dhana yogas in your horoscope. Then only this 35 points will happen in the first house. So basically, to conclude, the Ashtaka is the score that will be given for the planetary strength or the house strength of particular birth chart. There will be certain Vedic calculations will perform. Based on that, we'll be giving certain points to each house or a planet. Okay, for the planets, it will be between 1 to 9. Okay, between 1 to 9, and above 4.5 to 5 is really good. Below 5 is not really considered as fruitful. Okay, similarly for house will be giving 36 points. Okay, so out of 36, if at all you are getting 28 to 31, it's really good. Most of the people will be falling into these points, but you get 35 points, that is really great. It is having a lot of Raja Yogas in your horoscope, then only this 35 points will be manifesting in the first house. Okay, so that's about the video. So thank you so much for watching, and do let me know in the comment section what exactly you loved from this video. And if at all you need my consultations, the link is mentioned in the description. Please book for the consultation. I'm happy to help you. Thank you.